Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to reset Realme Buds 2 if they are not working. There are two ways to repair your buds. The first one is to claim the warranty and the other one is to reset them. In this video, I am going to tell you how to reset your earphones. Without any further ado, let's get started. These are my Realme Buds 2. I was using them for a long time. The right channel of my earphone is not working. I don't know why they suddenly stopped working. So let's reset it. You need to connect your earphones to smartphone. Hold volume up button and middle button simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds. That's how you reset your buds. If you like the video, please give a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.